The next time you're in Alvin, Texas, and you want to have some amazing barbecue, then Alvin Smoked Meats and Bar is the place to be. Come on in, let's take a look.
When you're traveling through Texas, you're bound to get hungry. Join Joe as he eats his way through the Lone Star State. This is Texas Chronicles Pit Stop with Joe Perez.
Right off of Highway 6 in Alvin, Texas, lies a small barbecue joint with huge flavors and amazing drinks. Owners Sean and Crystal Kabir opened up Alvin Smoked Meat and Bar in 2016, and they've been serving up some delicious barbecue ever since. Their meat is marinated with a recipe created by Crystal, then it's smoked using a high-quality pecan wood. From their mouth-watering tender brisket to their slow-cooked, fall-off-the-bone barbecue chicken and seasoned smoked sausage, Alvin Smoked Meat and Bar is sure to satisfy your barbecue needs. Don't forget to try their barbecue mac and cheese, their massive baked potatoes, and their famous Bloody Marys.
And this is Alvin Smoked Meat's Big Mary that we make with our in-house Bloody Mary mix that we make here. And it also comes with a half a pound of meat and a bunch of different appetizers and garnishes on there. I want to offer Alvin something a little different. Our Big Mary for 2 or 1. And this drink is made for 2.
Oh yeah.
Mmm. Yummy.
That's really good. Okay, it's for 1 now.
At Alvin Smoked Meat and Bar, you'll find some of the same traditional barbecue dishes offered in most Texas barbecue restaurants, but with a twist.
We also have our keema egg rolls, which is our bar appetizer. I hand make those myself. It is a ground turkey with Indian spices, and it's wrapped in a spring roll wrapper. With Indian food, you have a side of a yogurt sauce called raita, which my mother-in-law actually taught me how to make.
If you're looking for some tasty barbecue and great drinks to quench your thirst, a stop at Alvin Smoked Meat and Bar is a must on your barbecue bucket list.
So if you're ever in the Alvin area, stop by Alvin Smoked Meats and Bar and have a drink and some great barbecue.